I'm going to share with you all how to make your kid sit for studies. Not for a longer duration, but at least if they are giving their 30 minutes in a day, that is sufficient. Namaste and thanks to all my near and dear ones who like and subscribe to my channel. It really encouraged me a lot to come up with another video. So here I'm going to share like how I keep my daughter engaged through her studies, where I'll be also sharing the concept of the phonics, how we can make out the cards, the play cards, which they can enjoy and they can all, and so that it would be easy to carry out anytime along with you. I do this practice with her in the morning, in the evening, at the bedtime. So let's start. So this is the table and chair of Ayaana's, where she sits and study. Yeah, she's watching her renovated table. Okay, and this is the play card which I have prepared finally. So we will start ABCD Ayaana. Okay, this is A. A for apple. Apple. A for apple. Okay. B. B. Bring your bat. Bring your ball. Bat. Bring your ball. Say ba. Good. What is this? C. Cat. 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 No, bat. This is cat. And what is this? D. D. D for dog. D for dog. 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 Yes. And where is Ayaana's desk? Desk.
Ayaana desk.
Yes, this is Ayaana's desk.
Ayaana desk.
Yes. Where is A? Elephant. E for elephant. F. Fish. Yes. ये जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओगे तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालोगे तो मर जाएगी. Good. G. Grapes. Grapes. How to eat grapes? कैसे खाती है Ayaana? Yes. H. H for house. How to make a house? Like this. House. Okay. What is this? I for ice cream. Ice cream. Yay. This is ice cream. What is this? J. Jug. Yes. Jug. No, we will take it later. Jug. Yeah, we will take it later. Okay. K. Kite. Kite. Okay. Kite. Kite कैसे उड़ाती है Ayaana? Yay! Kite. L for lion. कैसे roar करता है? Roar. Good. Okay. Now what is this? M. M for monkey. Monkey. Yes. N. What is this? Yeah, monkey banana खाता है. Now what is this? N. N for nest. Bird अपना nest में egg देती है. कैसे? This is the nest. Yes. O for?
Orange.
Yes, orange. P. Parrot. Parrot. Yes. We will see later. Yeah, T. Q. Quack. Q for Queen. Good. Yes, queen crown pantier. Yeah. The R. 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 R for rabbit. Rabbit. Yay, rabbit. Do it like this. What is this? S. S. Ship. S for ship. Ship. Yeah. Oh, yes. Train. T. Yes. Look here. What is this? T. 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 T for train. U. U. Train. And what is this? U. U. U for umbrella. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Ayaana wants to play. Rain, go away. Yes. What is this? V. Van. V for van. W. W for watch. What is this? Watch. Yes. X. Xylophone. Ting 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 ting. Yes. Y. Yak. Yes. Okay, let's go on. Yeah. And what is this? Zebra. Z for zebra. Hope you all have enjoyed today's video. Please do this practice with your kid at home. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share more and more with your families and friends. Thank you.